First, drag this image and stretch it in full canvas. Go to Adjust and set temperature 100, tint 94. Select text box and type the text. Increase text size up to 260. Change text color to white. Download this design. Select square. Cover the whole design. Go to Layer, send backward, change square color to white and text color to black. Go to Apps, search Shape Cutout and select this one and select all the letters. Click Cutout and add to design. Upload first image and align it. Crop it like this. And this is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe my channel for more this type of amazing tutorial. Thank you for watching.